Mr. Heston, this is Mr. Mast. Apparently you're unavailable for my call, which is most unfortunate. It's really disappointing. Quite frankly, we think you've under-consumed gin, and your dinner is getting cold, and you are late. And we do not understand why you are later than you said you would be. This is most inappropriate and, quite frankly, typical behavior for you. And we are really just becoming most upset with this just ridiculous, childish, sophomoric behavior. We are dealing with true professionals here at the condo, and they are quite upset with your behavior and your performance. And frankly, we must talk. So call me post haste. This is quite serious. It's not joking. I don't know why you're not taking this serious, because quite frankly, you should. Okay, this is the second message I've left, and we're going to stick to the theme of respect. You have now pissed me off because you have not shown me the respect and the decency of returning my first call. And during that call, I think I was rather calm, but I'm not going to be calm now, Mr. Heston. Call me back, and I will show you some respect, which you haven't shown me by returning my first call, and this is the second message you've received. I don't know where the hell you are, but we're holding your dinner, and it doesn't look good. It's starting to grow shit underneath the plastic, but we're still holding it from you. Gratitude.
Ron, this is Gail. I'm the head of human resources for all of Hawaii. And I hear you have a really bad attitude, and it needs some readjustment. So hurry home, because we're going to need to have an intervention as soon as you get here. Thank you. Aloha.
Message number 4 is about the Android versus the iPhone. Really, Ron? Are you really that fucking stupid where you think the Android is better? Really? Ron, even though you don't work for us in Hawaii, Gail has agreed to give you a warmest aloha package, and there's nothing friendly about it other than the 2 words that say, get out. Now. Android, are you serious?
Get out now.
It is such a piece of shit. You cannot really think that it beats the iPhone. Ron, where is your head?
Up your ass.
Gail said it perfectly. Aloha. Ron, this is Dave again. Message number 5. No subject other than Ron. Yeah.
Are you deliberately ignoring us?
Are you deliberately ignoring us? I mean, really, what the fuck? We've been staying in the same condo for a week. Answer the goddamn phone when we call. I told you I was going to get angrier, and apparently I just have. And the head of HR is very concerned. Aloha and mahalo. Message number 5, subject, Ron, is repentance. Repentance.
6.
5 or 6, whatever. Repentance is the subject, and you are driving close to Hilo. We need pear pie. It is about repentance, and so should you be thinking about repentance and forgiveness and hoping for forgiveness from your family and all of these people that have cared about you, but your bad attitude and all of the things that we have talked about in the previous messages, they are all feeling. We, of course, have the character and the bravery and the wherewithal to mention this to you directly, because that's how you need to hear it, don't you, Ron? So, to get repentance, you must bring pear pie from Hilo. Not haupia pie, not cherry pie, not apple pie, not Not fucking pumpkin pie. It's not Thanksgiving, Ron. It's repentance time. Think about it. Message number 7, Ron. Subject, because. Because you choose to be an asshole, the rest of us will be. Ron, why do you choose to be this way? It's your character. We've talked about that. It's your attitude. We've talked about that. We've talked about respect. Haven't we, Ron? Admit to yourself, we have talked about respect. We've talked about being pissed off in message number 2. We've talked about your responsibility in message number 1. You fail us, you fall short, and you disappoint us. Ron, it's because, message number 7 topic, of all of these things that you get these messages. But do you really internalize these messages, Ron? The question remains. Think about it. Ron, message number 8 regarding the droid. I realize this is the second message regarding the droid, but I realize that you can't pick up these messages because your piece of shit droid is broken. And, well, Ron, this is either call number 8, 9, or 10. Who's counting? But I will tell you this. This is about the 3rd or 4th call on the subject of the Android. Apparently, your fucking piece of shit Android won't hold a charge, so it's in the room trying to charge and just accumulating messages like this one. Do I need any further proof that it's a piece of shit? No, I don't. Nor do you. Buy an iPhone, cough up the cash, dude. Join the 20th century.
21st century.
Well, yeah, you could join the 21st century or join the 20th by dumping the Android in the piece of garbage trash, like a piece of shit that it is. Hi, Ron. David again. Message number 8 regarding the Android. Second message about the Android. But then again, your Android piece of shit is broken, so you can't even retrieve the message. I sort of end my case on that, don't I? Aloha.